Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner from the ScreenProtector and the Inte.Team. Guys, so today we've got a dashcam, and not a typical one. It's a DMYCO or whatever you can call it. Hello ladies and gents. I've done it in purpose. What I want to say is this dashcam was working for 2 years for the customer, and customer was happy with the product. Otherwise he would upgrade it or throw it away. But what had happened was that after those 2 years, let me grab this. After 2 years, customer have noticed that it's starting to restart. Always restarting the DMYCO, yes, or the DMYCO. Let's call it DMYCO because that's what's. Okay, I switched it off. Now I need to open it, and I'll tell you why I need to open it. I've put it into my charger, and I was charging it for some time. As I've seen, it was 5.2 volts and 0.6 amp. I said, okay, no problem, it's discharged. So I switch it off. There is a button here underneath. You press it, you hold it for a certain amount of time, and it's going black, completely black. Yes, I've said black. So, card out, let's put it here, and we should try to open it. Okay, I've never opened this thingy before. I wouldn't risk going where the screen goes here. I wouldn't risk going because what I see here is in between this surface screen and then there is one shape and then there is another one, and you can see, well, I can see that this looking like a sort of a cut, so probably screen holds to that surface and then the second part will be onto here. Let me try just put fingers, I mean nails. Okay, nothing. It's still, I'm not giving up on it. Oh, that's a pain. That's a pain. Okay, I want to use for now any pry tool. Oh yeah, my finger went, I mean nail went in between. Probably I'm on a good track. Yeah, I can try some prying tools. Because we don't know how deep we can go and what we can damage on the way. That's why I'd rather not risk too much. If somebody would wondering what I'm using, it's a polarizer from the TVs. From TVs. Good start. Ouch! My poor nail. You know what, to not waste the time, I think I'll just pause the recording and I'll try to find a better side. Maybe one of the sides will do better than this one does, because this one is not the best. So yeah, I'll pause and I'll find the best side. I'll see. That's what it does. It's loading and then it's restarting. Well, now it's no SD card, yes, and then it shows low battery here in this or the second corner. Oh, on the other side here. Yes, and then this goes off and restart all the time when it's even under charge. So let me press and hold. Yeah, now it's going off. I'll find which way I can go inside, because if it let go on one side, we will know. I'll tell you exactly on which side I've tried and it worked. Yes, tonight waste the recording time. Okay, because it started to go in, I want to show you. I've used this type of tool, okay, and on the opposite side where the camera is, I've started on this, and then I start to pry it, just gently pry it, and then I start to continue working my way on this side. Yes, and because it's not a deep device, it shouldn't damage anything. I wouldn't assume that it can damage anything, because it doesn't go, it goes only as deep as that is, so it's not something which is deep. So that's why I wasn't afraid to use it. Okay, let us check if I can. Okay, the cables are only inside. On the edges there is no cables, completely no cables when you're opening it. Yes, just be gentle, because as you can see there is a number of those. All we care is actually this battery, so it's nothing, you know, extraordinary. What the battery is located here. It's a 3.7 volts, 500 milliamps. That's all there is. It's 2020-08-29. So let me check availability, because we can solder this battery, it's not a problem. Yeah. So let me check availability. I'll pause, I'll look, and I'll be back. Okay, I'll share the screen because I see that it is online here. I'll share the screen with you. Because it's... Oh, now you can see it. Free 2 days postage. GPS MP3, yes, that's CCTV, GPS RC. Okay, it's $3.99, lowest price in the UK, yes, so I'll get maybe 2 of those. Polymer, $4.99. Well, the business said that it is a $3.99, the lowest, yes. Let's check if it's the lowest. Free postage, brand new, liter energy battery. Okay, it's $2.99. Polymer, estimated, located in the UK. So that was a lie. As long as it's something that I can compare. 50304, it's written 503035. Okay, so this is slightly different, but I would say it's the same. Yeah, just the number, so it's okay. 5000 milliamps. No, milliamps. 500, 5000, that's a lie. 5000, no way, it's 500. Size of the battery. Yes, so not 5000, this one, and that's cost $10.99. No, just simply no. I wouldn't say so. That's 955. There's no dimensions of them, so oh no, okay. For cell size, the cell number is, denotes the battery size 12. Okay, so I get it. I need to measure this one, which I have. Okay, let me grab only the tape and we can check it. Oh, I got caliper, even better. What's better than the caliper? Okay, so that's width, which is 30, and length is 40 odd. So it's a 50, it's 42 or something. Okay, so it's, I'll show you what I'm doing, okay, so that you'll know, you won't guess. So I've got my stuff here, and the length, guys, it's not 50, it's written on the battery 50, 30, 40, yes? I wouldn't say so. With a glue. Yeah, with a glue it is 50. I agree, but it's with a glue, so take out the glue and we've got 45, let's say 45. But it can fit here longer on 30, okay? So it's too big. This one is too big. Do they have smaller ones? 50, 30, 35. Oh, that's 5. Oh. I'm telling you, sometimes 30, 30. 50, 30, 30. I've got it. I'll show you now. So this one, so that's 549. That's the as close as it can get, okay? Now this is 50, 30, 35. That's again as close as it can get. Yes, size 5mm. It's high. That's okay. 30 and 35. That would be roughly the same, because the length here. Yeah, it's 40. But then again, if it's slightly smaller and it's still 500 milliamps, so I can take 2 just in case. You know, like just 2. So that it will be fine. It's easy to, no, not 21, come on. 2nd and 7th February, yes, that's what we can do. Okay, so I can switch you off. Can pay, and we can make customer happy. So now you know how to replace it. Now, to replace it, it's only 2 wires, plus and minus. So solder it, you know, like, I maybe do it on one live because it's nothing. I wanted to only show you the issue. I want to show you how to disassemble it, and I want you to show that these batteries are available in stock. I mean, on eBay, yes, and what to look for. So yeah, that's polymer battery, as you know, rechargeable battery, and it's cheap as chips. I bought even 2 so that I got 1 more in stock. And my screws, I've got always spare screws here, like, you know, different kinds. Need to find a container for the and the solder, and just have them somewhere just on the side. I shouldn't hold them here, as you can see. Oh, that's burnt TDP 158 from the Xbox. Anyways, I can let customer know, but that's it in this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If possible, let's fix them all. That's not a reason to throw it away, and that will come. You should get it by 8th of February, and we've got today 28th of January. So yeah, like in 1 week time, maybe ish. But that's it in this video. If I'll be lucky, maybe it will be quicker, because that was showing quicker than that when I was looking at it. It's 2 to 3 days postage, so yay. Oh, Royal Mail first class. Ooh, that should be quicker, depending when they will, of course, dispatch it. Thank you guys for watching. If you did like, here's likes to you, and see you in the next video. Bye.